Hey, Jake. We've been friends for a while, but I don't think we've ever talked much about our families.
You're right. I'd love to hear about your family. Tell me about them.
Sure. Well, I come from a pretty big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. What about you?
Wow, that's a big family. I only have 1 younger sister. She's still in high school.
That's nice. Are you close to her?
Yes, she always asks me for advice, and I try to help her out when I can. What about your siblings?
We're all really close. My older brother is married and has 2 kids, so I'm an aunt. My younger brother is still in college, and my sister is working as a nurse.
That's great. So, you're an aunt. Do you see your niece and nephew often?
Yes, they're so cute, but also very energetic. I love spending time with them. Do you have any nieces or nephews?
Not yet, but I do have a lot of cousins. Some live nearby, and some live in different states.
Same here. I have an uncle in Texas and an aunt in Florida. We don't see them often, but we talk on the phone.
That's nice. What about your parents? What do they do?
My dad is an engineer and my mom is a teacher. They both love their jobs. What about your parents?
My dad is a doctor, and my mom is a lawyer. They're both really hardworking.
That's amazing. Do you think you're more like your mom or your dad?
I think I look more like my dad, but my personality is more like my mom. She's very organized and responsible, just like me. What about you?
I look a lot like my mom, but I have my dad's personality. He's funny and talkative, just like me.
That's so interesting. Do you live with your parents?
No, but I visit them often. My grandparents live with them, so I try to see them as much as possible.
That's nice. My grandparents live in another city, but we visit them during the holidays.
That's great. Family time is really important.
Definitely. I think knowing about each other's families helps us understand each other better.
I agree. Thanks for sharing, Jake. It was fun talking about our families.
Same here, Emma. Let's talk again soon.